Hello and welcome to another video. Today I made a family tree for Lady Bird Johnson. If you don't know who that is, just read the US history book and we'll be starting. This is the whole family tree of this is the family tree of Lady Bird Johnson. This is her right over here. Her real name was Claudia Alta Taylor. Her last name Johnson was after she married her husband, and Lady Bird was her nickname. She was born December 22nd, 1912 in Karnak, Texas, and died July 11, 2007 in Austin, Texas at the age of 94. Her parents were Thomas Jefferson Taylor II and Minnie Lee Patillo. Thomas was born August 29th, 1874 in Autauga County, Alabama, and died October 22nd, 1960 in Marshall, Texas at the age of 86. Minnie was born May 16th, 1874 in Alabama and died on September 4th, 1918 at the age of 44. Lady Bird's paternal grandparents were Thomas Jefferson Taylor and Emma Louise Bates. Thomas was born in 1846 in Autauga, Alabama and died in 1874 and also in Autauga, Alabama at the age of 27 or 28, so he was pretty young when he died. And Emma was born October 6th, 1848 in Richland, South Carolina, and died December 5th, 1924 in Autauga, Alabama at the age of 76. Lady Bird's maternal grandparents were Luther Patillo and Sarah Jane Merrick. Luther was born September 1844 in Alabama and died February 9th, 1913, also in Alabama at the age of 68. He died just less than 2 months after Lady Bird was born. Sarah was born March 21st, 1841 in Autauga, Alabama and died April 21st, 1912, also in Autauga, Alabama at the age of 71. She died the same year Lady Bird was born, but a few months earlier. And crazy fact, she was born when William Henry Harrison was president, and he was only president for a month. Lady Bird had two older brothers, Thomas Jefferson Taylor Jr. and Antonio Jefferson Taylor. Thomas was born October 20th, 1901 in Karnak, Texas, and died October 31st, 1959 in Shreveport, Louisiana, also at the age of 58. Antonio was born August 29th, 1904 in Karnak, Texas, and died August 31st, 1986 in Santa Fe, New Mexico at the age of 82. So both of her brothers died just after their birthday. Thomas died 11 days after his birthday, and Tony died only 2 days after his birthday. Lady Bird married Lyndon Baines Johnson, and he was born August 27th, 1908 in Stonewall, Texas, and died January 22nd, 1973 in Johnson City, Texas at the age of 64. Together they had two daughters, Linda Bird Johnson and Lucy Baines Johnson. Linda Bird was born March 19th, 1944 in Washington, D.C. and is currently 82 years old. Lucy was born July 2nd, 1947, also in Washington, D.C. She's currently 79 years old. She turned 79 exactly a week ago. Linda Bird was married only once. She married Chuck Robb and had three daughters together, Lucinda, Catherine, and Jennifer. Lucinda was the only one married when Lady Bird Johnson was still alive. She married Lawrence Bennett Florio and had a daughter, Madeline. Lucy was married twice. First, she married Patrick Nugent and had four children together: Patrick, Nicole, Rebecca, and Claudia. Patrick married Nicole Tatum and had two children, Tatum and Taylor. But I don't know if Taylor is a boy or girl. But it's a boy's name. I mean, it's like that one of those gender equal name or gender neutral names. But I don't like girls having the same name like boys. If you know what I mean, like a boy and a girl named Taylor. That's just weird. Nicole married Richard Brandt Covert and had a daughter named Claudia. Claudia married. Rebecca wasn't married, and Claudia married Stephen Howard Broad and had two daughters together, Sophia and Isabella. After Lucy divorced with Patrick, Lucy married Ian J. Turpin, but when they were married, Lucy was too old to have children. So that's the whole family tree of Lady Bird Johnson. Let me know in the comments whose family tree you'd like to see in the future, and I'd love to read your comments. The next video I'm gonna do in 10 days, because today I'm going to my grandparents' house, and so I won't be making any more videos for the rest of the for about 10 days, maybe more. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be in 10 days. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.